Hello guys, welcome back to Bendقية, and today we're going to be making the nuts praline dessert. As always, the ingredients are up on the screen: sugar, water, lemon, honey or glucose, and the full amounts are in the description. Make sure to go there if you want to make this dish for yourself. Now first of all, we add the sugar, and then we add the water. After that, we add lemon juice. Now we add a pinch of salt. And we mix it all together. Now we just let it boil for a bit until it changes color. As you can see, it changed color to yellow. Now we add the honey and sodium bicarbonate and mix well. Now pour it into an oil-greased plastic container, as you can see on the screen, and leave it in room temperature overnight, then cut it into desired shapes. As you can see, it looks beautiful. If you want to make something like this, all the ingredients are in the description in detailed form, and yeah, bye bye.